Yeah, so that's the GBP USD. We have a head and shoulder, as we did mention, head and shoulder pattern. Now let me just clarify that one more time. So let me just get a different font and use a different color. I'll use pink just for demonstration purpose. So yeah, we have yeah, so we have right here, this is our first shoulder. Then price obviously had a bit of a correction, then price accelerated to the upside. Then this here is our head. Now because it's a pink, we'll give this some bit of hair so that we see that it's a head and shoulder, right? So forgive my art. Then price went back up, so this here is the neck, so this level here is the neck. Then price retrace all the way up, forming another shoulder, and then we anticipating the price will be going down. Obviously when we break this level here, which is our pending order, I'll send this to the group so that you guys also place these orders here. When we get to this level here, we anticipate the price will be going all the way down, giving us 26 pips worth of profits. That's over 200 points. Then if this trade is to go against us, that is going to be just 18 pips. And I did mention that's going to be about 180 points to the downside. So whilst we're waiting for all these confirmations to happen on the GBP USD, we just have to wait. Now, remember in trading, not every time is an entry time, right?
Yes.
Not every time is an entry time. So you don't necessarily have to take trade all the time. Sometimes you just have to, as a matter of fact, we take out of 100%, or probably out of 10, we have seven, let's say out of 100%, yeah, we have 70% waiting and not trading. We have 70% waiting. That is us getting the data, getting the fundamentals right, getting the technicalities right. Then we have the rest 30% where we executing trades. So sometimes the best trade signal or the best trade suggestion is actually don't take a trade. That's the best trade ever, because I mean, when you don't take a trade, you don't lose any money. If you take a trade, as much as you can make money, as much as the trade can go to your side, but trade could also go against you. As a result, you can lose money. Now, obviously, we have the risk parameters that we have, stop loss and things of that nature. And my internet connection sucks a bit here. Are you guys still here, right? Hello?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay. All right, so you just
That's
gave me an indication that my internet is unstable. All right, so yeah, basically that's what we're expecting on the GBP USD. Let me get my eraser. So we this is a head and shoulder pattern, so we just have to wait and see different confirmations on this as to how this will go. So if the market does go our way, probably by 8 p.m. today, I'll have another. We're going to be having a lot of these live gatherings within today, because there's so much of booming and so much of great volatility in the market. Now, obviously, volatility is risk, but volatility is also opportunity. And because I'm a bit more experienced, and hence why I'm going to be giving these analysis so that you guys can jump in and out in the trades alongside with me. So that's a bit safer for you guys. So that's the GBP USD. Any questions with regards to the GBP USD? So yeah, again, I did mention
I know
that
I'm clear, isn't it?
we're
For
looking
me.
till 8 o'clock for us to see all these good profitabilities. That's if the price, because we're looking at the dollar. We're looking that we anticipate that the dollar will be gaining a lot of strength. And I did mention that from yesterday, the dollar has been beating all the other currencies. So yeah. So that's basically it on the GBP USD. Any questions so far?
I know, understand the representing money at the
Okay, all right. Spelele, you also good, right? Is Pelele still around?
for me.
Okay, probably is out. All right, that's okay. That's okay. All right, so I'll enter this trade, this pending order. then I'll send the signal to you guys on the group chat. Let me send it now rather.
Should I paying organized? No,
oh, you guys still have the other trades. So just wait for the other trades. But I'll just have this, and I'll keep you guys updated as to.
Once you trick, yeah, once you trick again, much sure.
Yeah, or if on any of the other trades, in the other trades, if you go beyond profits, you can play around with your stop loss and take it above your entry level so that you can be safe. Then you can take another trade because that other trade is more or less like it's closed already.
All right.
Yeah. So again, the software that I'm using, this risk to reward calculator, I'm sure you guys can see the beauty that this thing, it helps me, it saves me from doing a lot of maths and everything. So it's a lovely instrument. All right, so we checked the GBP USD, a head and shoulder movement, the USD CAD. Let me just go to a cleaner screen. Again, we see that price is being trapped. So this is more or less like a breakthrough, and we're going to be having that massive breakthrough. So if I can just illustrate through writing format, we're still using pink.
Sorry, don't pay USD is the
okay, I'll check, don't worry. Yeah, so USD CAD price is going up, price is going down, then back up, then we went back down, back up, then back down, and we anticipating that there's going to be a breakthrough, as I did mention here. So we also just have to wait for that confirmation on the USD CAD. Obviously, we already have our position in this trade, which I believe is gonna, and this here is a good support level. So if price even gets here, we might be going to the upside, and we have our stop loss just below, or rather not so tight, because we have our stop loss far away from the current support level that we have here. So let's check the Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD again, on the daily time frame. Let's say from on the daily time frame on the 24th of March last year, 2020, we had the dollar lose a lot of strength. Now that's because of the coronavirus and the shutdown in the US, and that was a massive loss on the dollar side. So we had price go all the way up 16,764 points. So that was massive. And obviously now the dollar is trying to gain a bit of strength. And again, at this level here where I have my blue support level, I'm anticipating the price is going to be going all the way to that level. So if we go on the 15-minute time frame, we already on profit on this trade.
Yes.
Yeah, we're already on profit on this trade. So okay, let's check the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, so we're already riding on profits on this trade. So that's a positive start. Okay, 4 hour time frame. Gosh, I'm looking for something that's gonna. All right, let's stick to the daily time frame, because the daily time frame gives me a bit of clarity. All right, so okay, let me. Yeah, so we almost close to our take profits. And probably when we hit our take profits, we're going to wait for a bit of a pullback. Then we're going to re-enter the trade again. And when we enter the trade again, we're going to be looking at this level to be hit. We're going to be going all the way to this level here. So that's basically it for this morning. We will have another Zoom call probably in the next 2 hours or 3 hours. I'll keep you guys updated on the group chat. Yeah, so I think that's it. I'll give you guys information, the WhatsApp group chat, and we'll have another Zoom call if there be a need. So yeah, let's just wait and make our profits. Thank you so much. Cheers.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, thanks, man.